Joey, when I think of IBM Energy and your partners, I must be honest, Salesforce is not the company that would jump to my mind. What are you doing with Salesforce?
So Salesforce, and the reason we partner with them, it's a very innovative platform, and they have industry-specific solutions. So a lot of our use cases are built on energy and utilities cloud. So again, think about that as an application that's built specific for the utilities industry. They release three releases per year of new functionality that come out to that platform. And because of the way Salesforce is architected, it allows you to continually innovate as opposed to a lot of the products which take significant time to change and adapt to your enterprise. So we've been working closely with Salesforce over the last year to build a clean energy platform which utilities can use to manage their programs and services around clean energy, right? So these could be tied to solar, they could be tied to electric vehicles, charging stations, etc. Typically, utilities have a lot of different programs and services that they want to offer around clean energy. And this is, of course, growing with all the changes in the world that we see today.
Now, at IBM, you guys have a big focus on accelerating the deployments, the speed to value. How does Salesforce enable you guys to get that speed to value?
Yeah, so Salesforce again. Think about it as it was designed as an innovative platform, right? So Salesforce, even if you just bought the base product and didn't change it, they do three releases per year of new functionality based on whichever cloud that you're working with on them. Um, it also is a platform that's just built to innovate with, right? So typically, our teams and the clients we work with, you could release changes on a daily basis, right? So Salesforce and speed to value are synonymous, right?
Joey, unfortunately, we're seeing more and more natural disasters happening where utilities have to respond. Uh, How are they using technology to respond to these kind of challenges?
Think about in the state of Florida, they get hurricanes, right? And tropical storms. And these storms, when they hit the state, do huge swaths of damage that take a lot of time to restore power for their customers, right? Commercial, industrial, and their residential. So managing the people that you bring in, employees and contractors, as well as what they call mutual assistance. So those are resources from other states and utilities who come in to help restore power. Managing those folks, helping them, find hotels, tracking their time, tracking their expenses. That's what we've done with the emergency preparedness platform. So it provides that ability to manage all those resources that are restoring power after a major storm event. And in some cases, this could be 25,000 people, right? So having the ability to track and manage those resources and everything that they do from a work perspective and where they're staying and expense perspective is huge for a utility and will provide them the ability to pay their vendors more quickly and just to manage everything that goes into restoring power for their customers.